Hey guys, this free gift from Swiggy Instamart. Let's check out. Yes, this is Flying Skies 1. Welcomes you all to watch pretty good videos and offers. As you see in the picture, you've got Swiggy add-ons. You go to Swiggy Instamart and check for this add-on. You've got smartwatches now at 90% off. You can check out kitchen must-haves as you see in the picture. Okay, coming to free gift. As you see in the video, we have made some grocery purchases on Swiggy Instamart and we were given a free gift. I'll tell you in the later part of the video as how much is the minimum order we got to place if you want a free gift from Swiggy Instamart. Now it's time, we'll see what's the free gift given by Swiggy Instamart. Yes, here comes Coke. You all know if you want this, you can scan QR code as shown in the picture and get this Coke because this is of original taste of Coke. It's Indian made, it tastes good. And you have two more options of free gift. That is 0 sugar Coke and one more is 1 kg sugar packet, which you got to choose while placing your order by applying the code, which I'll tell you in the later part of the video. Do watch. Okay, as you see in the picture, Swiggy Instamart has given free imprinted Dhoni's t-shirt and cricket ball signed by him. And here comes free sugar packet 1 kg. This is high quality crystal sugar as you see in the picture. If you want, you can choose this as your free gift in the cart. Now it's time that I'll tell you how to place the order if you want a free gift from Swiggy Instamart. As you see in the picture, go to Swiggy app. Once you go there, you will have Instamart on the home page. You can click on Instamart. After you click, this kind of screen appears before you. Click on Offers. After you click, now you can run through the offer page by scrolling up and down. And if interested in any of the product offer, you can add to the cart as shown in the picture here. Okay, make sure you add $6.99 worth items to the cart if you want free gift. After adding all the items to the cart, click on Go to Cart. Once you click on that, you have to scroll down here. You see here, View More Coupons and Offers. Click on that and go down. You will find 3 gifts. You have FREECOKEZERO, FREECOLA and IMSUGAR. Choose any of these 3. Once you choose, you can click on Apply against it. Here I applied FREECOKEZERO in order to get 0 sugar Coke. The Coke has been added to the cart. You can check out by scrolling up as shown in the picture. Now after applying this coupon, you can click on Proceed to Pay. Otherwise, you can change your free gift. As shown in the picture, you can go for sugar. Before placing the order, you can make these changes, but after placing the order, you cannot. But instead, you can check the free gift after placing the order by going to View Order Details as shown in the picture. That's it all for today. If you've got any doubts, ask me in the comment section. If you like this video, do share, subscribe to Flying Skies 1. Keep smiling.